Welcome back everybody. Now we want to show you how to make an air power cannon.
First, you need a cap and attach it to a large pipe like this. Then you need a pipe that looks like this and put it here and glue it together. Next, if you want, you can add a small pipe here if you need to have more room for the air. Then you need a pipe that looks like this that can open and close like that and glue it to the small pipe. Then you need to make the launcher. This you don't really have to glue it. You can add a silencer to it too. Then just pump air in it, maybe up to 60 psi. Yes, and it will shoot very fast. And that's all. Thank you for seeing our video.